In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel Exploring Sabri. In this short video clip, I'm going to share my ideas on what are the most important features of successful teachers. So let's have my ideas. Number one, successful teachers communicate with parents very efficiently. Successful teachers try to maintain good relationship with parents and guardians of the students. Number second, successful teachers enjoy their work. Whatever they do, they enjoy it from their heart. Number third, successful teachers welcome change in the classroom. Actually, relevant changes they do frequently and encourage students to change the decoration of the room or other things what the rooms require. Number four, successful teachers give their students emotional support when the students feel a little bit distress or discomfort in the classroom or beyond. Successful teachers support them and they are with them always. Number fifth, successful teachers bring fun into the classroom. Successful teachers do a lot of fun in the classroom and they try to make the lesson interesting and enjoyable to the students. Number six, successful teachers take time to explore new tools. It means that successful teachers always try to use new teaching aids, new teaching materials in the classroom to make it more enjoyable to the students. Number seven, successful teachers never stop learning. They always keep in touch with learning new things, new ideas. Number eight, successful teachers break out of the box. They try to do something new all the time. They are not in the same method. They are not using the same teaching materials in the classroom. Number nine, successful teachers are masters of their subject. That means they have sound knowledge on subject matter. Last but not the least, number 10, successful teachers are the motivators of the students. They always motivate, encourage, inspire the students to be the best, to do the best whatever they can. I hope those who have these types of qualities, I think they are called successful teachers. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.